Hello children, in the previous class I read the lesson Raksha Bandhan page number 1. In today's class let us continue the lesson Raksha Bandhan. Take out your book and listen carefully. The Raksha Bandhan festival is celebrated, observed in North India. We belongs to South India, but most of the people of North India are celebrating this festival. What the Raksha Bandhan festival indicates? It indicates or it celebrates with the warm feelings of love and affection between brothers and sisters. Affection means liking or love. Do you celebrate this festival? Yes. How you are celebrating this Raksha Bandhan? You are tying a Rakhi or Raksha Bandhan to the hand of your brother. Is it? Yes. What is the story behind this Raksha Bandhan? Let's see. In the epic Mahabharata, what is the meaning of epic? Epic means holy book. In the epic of Mahabharata, this kind of affection is seen between Krishna and Draupadi. Who is Krishna? In the story of Mahabharata, we see Lord Krishna. And who is Draupadi? Draupadi is wife of Pandavas. So, this kind of affection is seen between Krishna and Draupadi in the epic Mahabharata. When Krishna's wrist bled from a wound, Draupadi tore a strip of her silk saree and tied it round his wrist. Once Krishna got hurt to his wrist. By the time Draupadi tore a strip of her silk saree and she tied it round his wrist. What is the meaning of tie? Tie means to hold two or more things together using strings. Krishna was so touched by her act that he vowed to protect her as he took her to be his sister from that moment. Krishna became very touched or very happy by the treat of Draupadi. So, he vowed to protect her. What is meaning of vow? V-O-W. Vow means promise. Who promised here? Yes, Krishna promised. What he promised? He promised that he protect her. To whom? To Draupadi. He promised that he protect Draupadi, as he took her to be his sister from that moment. He promised that henceforth Draupadi is my sister and I'll protect her from that moment. The festival is celebrated on the full moon day of the month of Shravana. When we are celebrating this festival on the full moon day of the month of Shravana. So children, this is the story behind this Raksha Bandhan. Read the lesson Raksha Bandhan and let's continue in the next class. Thank you.